Hello and welcome. My name is Sharad Kohli. You're watching Money9, and on Money9 you're watching this interesting capsule called Saral Money, where those complicated finance and money terms are made easy for you to make your life easy and profitable. So today we're going to talk about something which you keep hearing in stock markets, but you always wonder, what exactly does this mean? How does it matter to me? Which is penny stocks. Have you heard of that? Yes, if you haven't, you will know after today what penny stock is. You know, when a company comes out with an IPO, when a company comes out with its initial public offering, the face value of the share is 10 rupees most of the times. Although there are companies which has got face value of 1 rupee, 2 rupee also. But it is common in stock market to come out with an IPO of face value of a share of rupees 10. Now it so happens when the IPO comes, there is always a premium to the share. That is, company share is not traded at 10 rupees. It is traded at 200, 300, 400, sometimes thousands, where you have shares listed in thousands. We have shares in stock markets which are priced at over 50,000 rupees also. So in this situation, when you hear about penny stocks, let us find out what penny stock is. Now, if you go by the definition, penny stock is a stock which is traded below 10 rupees. Now, as an investor, if I've got 10,000 rupees with me and I want to buy a share which is worth 10 rupees, obviously I know I'm going to get a lot of shares. In fact, I'm going to get 1,000 shares. And on the contrary, if there is another share which is valued at 10,000 in stock market, I'll only be able to buy one share. So now as an investor, I get tempted. You know why? There is mathematics behind it. Why I get tempted? Because 1 rupee movement. Now listen to this carefully, because this is very important, and this is where you need to know what penny stocks are. A 1 rupee movement of a penny stock, when you bought 10,000 of them, will fetch you 10,000 rupees. Whereas a 1 rupee movement of a 10,000 rupee stock will only fetch you 1 rupee. So it is very natural for investors to get tempted towards buying penny stocks. But here is the caveat. Here is the alert. Here is the caution you need to take. And the caution is that these penny stocks become penny stocks because the company may not have been doing well. Or I should say, the company has not been doing well, because the share price in a stock market is based on certain fundamentals. Those fundamentals are book value. Those fundamentals are EPS. Those fundamentals are price equity PE multiple, as we call it. Now, if the price falls below 10 rupees, this means that company is not in a good shape. The company has not been making profits. If the company doesn't make profits, or the net worth of the company, the net worth of the stocks is going into negative, then the stock price will move below rupees 10. Now, investors, they get tempted because they go, wow, such a cheap share, such an inexpensive share, I should buy a lot of them. My money will buy a lot of such shares. But you may get trapped in two ways. One, you may not be able to sell that stock in future. That is, it may become difficult for you to trade in that stock in the times to come. You may or may not. Also, the price of such shares may also fall even below. Suppose you bought a penny stock at 7 rupees. Tomorrow you might find that it has gone down to 4 rupees because the company hasn't been performing. So therefore, I don't say that penny stocks are untouchable stocks, because they do get traded. But what the point I'm trying to make and explain to you today is that there may be penny stocks with growth potential, because some of the companies, being in losses, they also turn around. They take a U-turn. That is, they start. You must have heard of company was making losses for 5 years, and after 5 years there came a turnaround point and it went back into profit. So then the penny stock of that company, if it is, may become a profitable stock. But most of the times, penny stocks should be avoided. Penny stocks should be kept away with. Penny stock may sound very tempting to buy, but I don't think you should be going for that. So keep in mind, penny stocks sounding tempting, but can be risky, can either block your investment or make you suffer losses. So always choose a good company. Do not go by the value of the stock. Do not get attracted to the value stock. For more such information in the world of finance and money, keep watching Saral Money on Money9. Thank you.